My name is Malik Felix. I'm the lead foreman for the local 2 part of Martin Mechanical. We do sheet metal and retrofitting and hanging equipment, just whatever needs done. So what we're doing is all the equipment is on the roof. This is going to be a hotel and it can't be exposed. So all the ductwork for the makeup airs and the shaft is all going to come down the shafts. And the shafts there's 4 points in the building, and all the ductwork will branch off and feed all the rooms for the exhaust and the supply airs and all the outside air. When you're building the duct up to the shafts, it's all straight up. So everything is mainly overhead and need to be tied off around these shafts because it's a 40-foot drop depending on what floor you're on. When you get in there, it's not exactly what they say it would be, but you have the tools and the knowledge to make everything work and make fittings or make whatever move needs to move to get the job done.